Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in the Chic for Cheap challenge hosted monthly by Christi Creates. At the moment of filming this video I don't know if she's going to have a co-host, so I'm going to link Christi's channel in the description box, and if there is a co-host I will also link that channel along with the playlist with all the videos participating this month. Please visit the channels and watch all the videos. For this month I'm going to do or try to do something similar to this image that you are seeing right now, which is my inspiration. It's not a very expensive item, it's from Kirkland's, it's $12.74, but I know I can recreate it for less. So I'm going to use this sign from Dollar Tree. It had hanging some other sign here that I use for another craft. The border was glittery, as you can see here, and I started painting it white because I was going to use it for another DIY, and then I decided not to. So for this DIY I'm going to use the back side, and I'm also going to use this paper that is self-adhesive, peel and stick. It's from Dollar Tree. At least at my Dollar Tree is new. I haven't seen this before and I love it. I really love it. So as you can see, I've already traced with a pencil the shape of the pumpkin, and I'm going to cut it out and stick it to this piece of the sign. I'll be right back with that finished. Okay, I have finished this part of the sign. I added the paper and I also painted this. I have to give it another coat, this part that was green, if you remember, because I wanted it to have a better finish, even though this side is not going to be seen, because this is going to be on a shelf almost against the wall, but I just wanted to give it a better finish. I am going to place it on top of this piece of wood that it was from another sign that had two tiny screws, and it's perfect for this DIY. I have it at hand, and I am staining it. As you can see, I've already stained the sides. The wood in the sides was darker, so that's why the color is darker. What I use, if you know me already, is my favorite stain, which is the liquid shoe polish in brown, sorry, from Dollar Tree. That's what I use for the sides, and as you can see, it's really easy. You just press and then rub the bottle against the wood and you get a perfect stain. I am going to mount this pumpkin here. For that, to make it more stable, I'm going to use these Jenga pieces. I'm going to glue them in the back of the sign, one on top of the other, so this is going to stay standing firmly. So let me do that. I'm going to glue the pieces one on top of the other, as I said, and then I'm going to add them to the sign. I think that it's better to add it first to the base. Yes. Like so. I'm also gluing this border I need another stick. But I will try the glue not to show on the front. Because it doesn't look good. So, add a little bit more of hot glue here. Sorry, but my throat is not behaving. I don't know why well, I know why. I'm turning 70 in a few days, and some old people, not all old people, but some old elderly people, as they age, they get this coarse voice. This was not my voice 10-15 years ago. So this is how I adhered the pumpkin to the sign. I may stain this. Well, I'll do it later off camera. Now I'm going to decorate the rest. I'm going to use this bow on top of the pumpkin. I'm going to use this thankful metallic word that is from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it black, and I'm going to adhere it at the bottom. Let me do this. Let me see. Where should I add the glue? Okay. It's not easy because the word is really thin, but I made it work. Okay, just a second, waiting for the glue to dry. I'm going to remove what's left. And I think that's how it has to go. As I said, I'm going to add this bow on top. It's from Dollar Tree also. And I have some leftovers from other projects that are perfect for fall, so I'm going to use this as well. They still have some hot glue, but anyway, they're going to be covered. And that's what I'm going to do with these leaves and berries. So let me see. I'm going to place them here. I think this has to come a little bit to the right. Let me try. I'm going to try to move these berries up so they don't end up hidden under the bowl. Let me give it another try. Yes. I'm not completely pleased with the look, and I'm not pleased with this hot glue, so please bear with me. And now I remove it. Let me try another way. Let's see how it looks with the bow. I like it better. So I'm going to glue these two pieces together. I need my finger protector. The glue is dripping on the mat. And now I'm going to adhere this to the pumpkin with the bow. It has to go more to the right. Yes. So I need to add more glue, and this will be finished. And let me tell you that, as you saw in the image, the original price was $12.74. I spent, let's say, 1, 2, 3, less than $4, because of course in the package you get 3 or 4 words, so it's not $1 per word. The sign, I use the other part for another DIY, so I would say it's 50 cents. The paper, okay, $1, because what was left, I don't know if I will be able to use it for another DIY. The bow was $1. I don't remember if I got 2 for $1, but let's say it's $1. So it's $1, $2, 50 cents is 33 cents, $2.40, and this is a leftover from another arrangement, so let's say another 50 cents, $3, and this is also leftover, $3.50. Let's settle for $4. And I think this looks really, really good. I like it. I really like it. And it was really easy and quick. I spent almost no time. The only thing that took more time was cutting the border and adhering it to the background, the pumpkin. Other than that, it was really, really quick. And the result, I think, is very, very pretty. It's not exactly like the inspiration, but it's my version and I like it. And I like saving money, so I'm really pleased. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Christi for hosting the challenge, and thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.